Shubham Kumar,
Good
start
evening,
now.
sir. Good evening, sir, and my dear friends. I am Subham Kumar. I am from Ara, Bhuj, Bihar. I have passed class 12th with 36 marks from BSCB, and now I am pursuing BSc Physics honors from Commerce University, Ara. I like playing volleyball and football. I am punctual and disciplined in my work. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives adventurous career. And we are here to discuss about the topic which has been assigned to us, Make in India, and impact of Make in India on Indian economy as well as Chinese economy. Make in India campaign is launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2014 with the initiative of putting Indian economy on the top of the high growth. Make in India project aims to increase our GDP, gross domestic product, manufacturing from 60% to 25% as of now. And also it aims to attract investment from all around the world. You know that India has the largest economy in the world. Therefore, there are large number of opportunities, cheap labors and much resources with the help of labor and sufficient resources.
Now, next candidate. Next candidate, Bobby.
Hello everyone, my name is Bagpat, Uttar Pradesh. I pursued second year in now and I passed 12th class in 2000. My hobbies are playing chess, cricket. Topic is in India. Making India is a scheme that is started by Narendra Modi in 2020. Its aim is to build mini factories and mini business for youngsters and businessmen that help every possible moment. India want to become the guru nowadays.
Next candidate, Indra Kumar.
Hello, my name is Deepan Kumar. I belong to Kanpur. I have passed 10th and 12th from two. Now I am pursuing BSc from Kanpur University. There are 6 members in my family, including 3 siblings. My father is a teacher, my mother is a maker. My hobby is playing cricket and reading newspaper. My topic is today. My topic is sorry, sir. एक बार फिर से बोल
Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is I belong to Kanpur. I have passed 10th and 12th. Now I am pursuing BSc from Kanpur University. There are 6 men in my family, including 3 siblings. My father is a teacher, my mother is a housemaker. My hobby is playing cricket and reading newspaper. My topic is Make in India, which is assigned to me. Make in India was 25 September in 2014 to transfer India into manufacturing hub. India ranked 63 out of 190, the last World Bank Business Index 2020. Make in India attacked foreign direct investment DI to India. Make India has built self-reliance in the sector. Make India slogan is zero defect, zero effect. The logo of Make India is lion. The logo was inspired by Ashok Chakra.
Now, next candidate, Ajay Pal Yadav.
Jai Hind, everyone, respected sir. I feel honored to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Ajay Pal Yadav. I belong to Fulera district, Alwar, Rajasthan. I have completed class 12 with PCM from Division Senior Secondary School, Alwar. Right now, I am pursuing graduation with mathematics from RR Autonomous College, Alwar, Rajasthan. My hobby is playing cricket, reading newspaper, and connect with NGOs doing the tree planting. And I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me a way of life that is full of adventureful and also respected society. Thank you. And now coming on the group discussion topic, our group discussion topic is Make in India. It is such a great initiative which was launched by our Honorable President Shri Narendra Modi since 2014. And it was launched due to enhance our self-reliance in every sector regarding defense, space, manufacturing, and agriculture. In all the sectors are including in making it to enhance our economy and also getting our self-reliance involved. Thank you.
Now next candidate should Nishu Yadav.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. My name is Yadav. I am from Alwar, Rajasthan, and my qualification is I completed my 12th class from Canadian Secondary School, Alwar, and now pursuing my graduation from RR Autonomous College, Alwar. My hobbies the cricket and kabaddi. Now I am coming on topic. Today's group discussion topic is Make in India. That it started in 2014 by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And as we all know that in this scheme, we want to develop our country, we want to live itself. There are three things I want to explain that to increase the manufacturing sector's growth to 12 to 14% per annum, and the second is to create 1 million additional manufacturing jobs in economy, and the third is to ensure that the manufacturing sector's contribution to GDP. So main reason of the to run the scheme is a main reason we can say that the economic growth of our country. Thank you, sir.
Next candidate Pritam Singh.
My name is Pritam Singh from Lodhia, Jharkhand. I have completed 12th from Sharma College, Satarpur in Sciences. Now I am pursuing graduation in English honors from AK Singh Degree College, Japla. My hobby is traveling and singing. My goal to be the best version of ourselves, disciplined and adventurous life. So I want to join Indian Air Force. Now about topic. In India is an initiative with the government of India to encourage company to develop, manufacture and assemble product in India. It was launched in September 20. And behind Make in India is Made India manufacturer hub and create job in India. 25 sector targeted by this initiative target of Make in India to increase the manufacturing growth rate annual 12 to 14% and increase and create crore job, also increase in GDP. As India emerging as a destination of the world. Thank you.
Next candidate Utkarsh. Next candidate Utkarsh. उत्कर्ष आपके लिए लास्ट कॉल है. अगर आप अपना सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अबाउट द टॉपिक देना चाहते हैं तो उत्कर्ष. ओके गाइज, अभी हम अपना जो जीडी सेशन है उसको स्टार्ट करेंगे. और जीडी सेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको ये बताना चाहूंगा, प्रीतम सिंह आप अपनी यस उत्कर्ष.
So let me continue. My name is Utkarsh Mishra. I'm from Gonda, Uttar Pradesh. I did my schooling from Gonda itself, and right now I'm pursuing my graduation from. And I have.
Do continue.
I also have. By mistake, I joined this session. I'm watching what is. So
ओके कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. आपका एयरफोर्स का पेपर क्लियर हुआ है या नहीं हुआ? इनटेक 01 2025 का
I have cleared with 36 marks in X group.
तो देखिए अभी आप अपने दोस्तों को ऑब्जर्व कीजिए। टॉपिक है आपका मेक इन इंडिया। आपकी अगर आपने पेपर क्वालिफाई किया है तो आपके अंदर इतनी एबिलिटी है कि आप अपने दोस्तों को सुन के मेक इन इंडिया जो अपना टॉपिक है उसके ऊपर पॉइंट्स बना सके। तो आप अभी जीडी सेशन के अंदर पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए और कल से जो आपको टॉपिक मिलता है उसको आप अच्छे से अपना प्रिपेयर करके आइए। ओके, तो अभी हम अपना जो जीडी सेशन है वो स्टार्ट करते हैं। और आज का जो अपना टॉपिक है मेक इन इंडिया, इस टॉपिक को इनिशिएट करेंगे आज अजय पाल यादव। स्टार्ट नाउ अजय पाल यादव।
Thank you, sir, to giving me this such a opportunity. Starting from Make in India. Make in India means make India, make everything in our country. That means to enhance our primary, secondary, and tertiary sector. Mainly, it is giving the preferences to the secondary sector, that is the manufacturing. And manufacturing means we make everything in our country, which will enhance our country's economy.
Agree with
I am
you,
agree
my
with
dear
you.
friend.
I am
I'm
agree with
Agree
you.
with you.
Many investors want to invest in our country. It is the good for our country because it is the only way to going towards to the fast developed country to developed country.
Yeah, I agree with your point, my dear friends. Make in India increase our GDP in manufacturing 60% or 20%, and Make in India aim to attract business all over the world.
Yes, I'm agree with you all guys, but now we are going to discuss the Make in India topic. So in this topic, we all know that why it is run in 2014. We all know that to increase the manufacturing in India, that is the important thing to develop, becoming the developed nation. Because everyone knows that when we see in developed countries, they are the mostly they are dependent on themselves. So it means first of all we should understand how can we become the ourselves, depend on ourselves. After then we
My
can
dear
become.
friends, I am supporting to Ajay Pal Yadav because it is a necessary movement for India in nowadays. Because making in India is not a scheme; it is a future can be possible for India. Because all India cannot made all things, but made that possible for India.
Make in India to create in and encourage company to develop, manufacture and assemble product in India. And aim behind Make in India is Make India manufacturer hub instead of China, tackle with China and create job or opportunity because India biggest problem is unemployment, and we manufacture and assemble product in India so we can create jobs.
I agree with your point, my dear friend. We know that about China is a forward in a manufacturing sector, but the help of Make in India project, India is also going to direct fight with China in manufacturing sector.
To some point independent that the China is right now is become a world topmost position in the developed country because of to booming its manufacturing sector. So that's why India is understanding right now the situation. So that's why India is focusing on the manufacturing sector. Due to the manufacturing sector, the first benefit will be that we will enhance the employment. That will be a good for our country. Also to promote the Make in India initiative, it also promote the other sectors, also the first and primary and the tertiary sector, because the secondary sectors, when when any factory we making a thing, then it is coming from the primary sector. That means that it is also giving the employment the primary sector. Thank you.
Agree with your point, my dear friends. India is the third largest economic country in the world, and India is the fastest developing country in the world. India, there are many opportunities with cheap labors and resources. Our Make in India is especially based on manufacturing, and India is the largest second in mobile phone manufacturing.
Yes,
I am
I
agree
agree
with
with
your
you.
That is
point.
product is
I want to add some points that India is has the most population in the world. Is in the I mean India is on the first position. We have the most population of the world. So we should understand that if we are manufacturing the companies and other factories in India, that time we are giving the employment for the peoples. And you are also mentioning that, and it is right thing for the Indian peoples, because whenever you are manufacturing the factories and all these companies, then it is giving the employment for the Indian peoples. So it's a beneficial for the Indian peoples and for the Indian GDP also.
I agree with your
I am
point,
I
my
am
agree
dear
with you.
agree with
friend.
your point,
Chinese
guys.
Chinese food.
Make in India, as a result, India emerged as a top destination of the company in 2015. World Bank say that in his index, age of age of age of business age of doing business index say that the our India rank 100 jumped India rank 100 to 63 rank.
Yeah, I agree with your point, my dear
I am
friend.
agree with you. I am
Agree to
agree with.
Pritam Singh. India's ease of doing business rank also increased due to the Make in India initiative. That is the right now 39, and also due to the this India also increased the foreign direct investment, that is the FDI, in every sector. Like space, we have completed FDI 74%. In also defense, we have reaching the more than 74%. That means that we are giving initiatives. We are giving the imperative other countries to come in our come in our country and giving the opportunity for our youths.
Yeah, I agree with
I am agree with
my
you.
dear friend.
Chinese product have much
In my
consumed in our country. I am agree with you. Chinese product have much consumed in our country. Therefore, it is a good initiative. Make in India have to ban Chinese products. It is good for our country.
I agree with
I
your
want to
point.
add some more point, guys.
We know
Uh,
that
we all know that the
Make in India.
child population of India is world largest population of child, and we are depend on twice made in China, but Make in India initiative reduce 20% of toys import and 61% increase export of India.
I agree with your point, my dear friend. In my opinion, eh, Make in India create many jobs, many employment, and many of things in India. And we know that about Make in India is a appreciate of our defense sector, especially weapons and destroy many weapons. And in like a Tata is also working in Make in India, and many more company in DRDO like ISRO, and also upon Make in India is working in space in Indian.
I am agree
You
with you. You know that India is the largest populous country in the world. Therefore, it is very difficult to most of the population gives employment. Uh, Therefore, Makes in India helps to give employment in our local areas.
I agree with
agree
your
to
friend,
him.
my dear friend. In my opinion, Indian government launch many schemes through Make in India like Badmala and Sagarmala, Digital India, and many more scheme in India.
Mm, Agree to
We
Shubham
all know
point
the
that
target of
India
Make
has
in
a
India
largest
to
youth population in the world, and it is a boom for our country because we can use this useful youth population as a workforce even for our country's development. Because in manufacturing sector we need a lot of youths with a good skillful. So enhancing our skill, government of India already launched some scheme like the PMKVI, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, through which government will provide the skill for the youth. Thank you.
I am agree with your point. Target of Make in India is to increase the manufacture sector growth rate to 12 to 14% annual. But growth rate of manufacturing sector is now only 7% per annum. And Make in India target that create 10 crore job in manufacture sector. But the job created by the Make in India initiative only 50 crore 70 lakhs, and its target is increasing our GDP share up to 25%, but sharing in GDP only 16%.
Yes, I'm agree with you all guys that you are saying when they start the Make in India scheme, then they thought that we have to work for our nation. Like if we are making everything like manufacturing in India, then it's a very beneficial for us. And I want to add some points like in the line of Make in India, individual states to launch their own local initiatives also such as Make in Odisha and the other states also they implemented their own manufacturing hubs in India, and it's a very good thing for that states and even for the India also. And one brother also mentioned that Indian government is also creating the many schemes, other schemes to develop the skill management, skill development for the youths. Like PMKVY and other schemes also running. They want to develop the youths in India, and it can become the boon for India. Thank you.
agree with
Make in
your point,
India
my
is
dear friends.
also
My Make in India is support our local goods and items. Make in India has defined 25 new sector in manufacturing.
in India.
I want to say that when we are like in this time, we all know that India is taking the percentage of India is they sorry.
कैंडिडेट्स शुभम एंड अंजलि आप पार्टिसिपेट क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? डू पार्टिसिपेट.
यस वॉइस आ रही है सर.
यस.
इंट्रोडक्शन से स्टार्ट करूं भैया?
नहीं इंट्रोडक्शन हो चुका है, अभी आपका जीडी सेशन चल रहा है.
अच्छा जीडी सेशन चल
ओके.
रहा है.
हाँ.
ठीक है भैया. आई वांट टू टेल वी आर हियर डिस्कस.
I am agree with you. Make in Indian schemes promotes many schemes like Stand Up India, Self-Reliant India, and many schemes. And our Prime Minister Narendra Modi also said "local for vocal." It is a very famous quote of this era.
I agree with you friends. In my opinion, Make in India campaign is launched by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, putting in the tap of high growth Indian economy. It also aims to attract business all around the world. India is the most populous country, but are lacking jobs in lack of job opportunity. Thank you.
I agree with
I am
your
agree
point,
with
my
you.
dear
We
friend.
know that India have much resources, and I am agree with you. We know that India have much resources and cheap leverage. Then we should use it, and it is good for our country.
I agree
I
with you,
agree with
friend.
your yeah, I
In my
agree with your friend.
opinion, Make in India project in our GDP in Make in India project in our GDP and manufacturing, and it also promote aims to attract business all around the world.
Yes,
Yeah, I
I'm
agree
agree
with
with
you.
you. I want to add some points like still now we all know that India is a more percentage of import the things from foreign countries and export the things is very different because we are importing more than exporting. So it means first of all we should understand that if we are making the things and we are manufacturing the things in India, that means we can manage our GDP because as we all know that in the last months when we find the report that time our GDP growth is also going to increase.
Almost
I am
right now
agree with
the
your
world is
point,
going
guys,
towards the
and
50,000.
I want to add some more point. Make in India boost our automobile sector. In automobile sector of India is become third largest automobile manufacturing hub. Is this problem? Is this solved by the initiative Make in India?
I
Also,
agree with you, friend. In my opinion, Make in India projects in our society is a very well, as we all know that Make in India is China's app, and it is a far adding. Because of this, in our country, in societies, many members are involved in Make in India.
right now in the world there is also the process going on, that is the de-dollarization, the not dependence on the dollar. So in that process, India will play a pivotal role in that process. It will be for the Make in India initiative will be a great initiative for it. Like we will make our things in our country, so it means that we will do more export. And if we do more export, that probably will need our currency to purchasing something. So it means that it also enhance our currency's value in all the world, like China is.
I agree with
I am
you,
agree with
friend.
you.
I at some point, that about making India through many medicine export in other country like especially African and European country.
I am agree with you. I want to add some point. Exports and imports are a very big play role in our country because now you are exporters, not importers. It is a very good sign for our country. It is also a way and a step to prove in front of the whole world.
I agree with you, friend. In my opinion, Make in India projects is launched many apps in many countries. As we all know that India is the most populous country and and third third app side in the world.
Yeah, I agree with your friend. I at some point, that about the meaning of Make in India slogan like defeat and zero defect.
I am agree with your point, friends. Make in India boost IT sector, digital India, pharmaceutical companies. It's also increase our defense budget. Now we are export BrahMos to Philippines. So this is
I am agree with you. I want to add some point. Before the Making India scheme, Making India schemes,
In my opinion, Make in India, our GDP in manufacturing found 60% to 25 to 30% as of now. As we all know that Make in India, many apps launches and online educations. Thank you.
I agree with your point. Our Make in India attacked many countries to invest in our nation, and they promote goods items and big market in the world.
I am agree with you. I want to add some points. Before the Making India scheme, we have used to go to the work for the any other country or any other state. But after the Making in India scheme, we have used not to go to the other state or other country because a local for vocal is will also help in our country because local people are used to work in local places because investments in our local states is very high.
To the Make in
And
India
India.
I'm agree with you
initiative.
all aspirants, and I want to add some points like I want to say that our government is also doing work in that field also because when some months ago when the Narendra Modi went to the America, that time he talked with the Elon Musk and he said that I will come in India to make the manufacture the companies of Tesla, and it can become the good initiate good for India GDP and other and it can create many employment for the Indian people.
I am
Within
agree
9
with you.
years, we get a lot of
Make in
benefits from the Make in India project, because right now, due to the Make in India, our country is seeing the future with brightly. Like we have a vision of 2047, that is India's 2047 developed vision. It means that we making it happen due to the Make in India. And also, when the government making policies, it is making according to the Make in India. Like every company want to come in India, but India is saying that all the product which will come in our country will be made by Indians, and also 65% components will be made in Indian. So it means that if we want to give boom to our economy, domestic economy.
I agree with you, friend. In my opinion, Indian is step of high growth. our GDP and many growth app.
I am agree with your point. India emerged as the top destination of company in 2015 and gets a highest FDI. FDI means foreign direct investment. It surprised USA and China because these are developed country and we are developing country, and FDI of India is highest than these countries. FDI collection of India is 5 Arab Indian currency. It is the top of the world.
Do continue, candidates. क्या कोई कैंडिडेट और कोई पॉइंट ऐड ऑन करना चाहेगा टॉपिक में?
Yes, brother, I want to tell India is a developing country. This problem is not good, and many apps many labs like our in country is China, America, and etc.
Candidates, now conclude the topic. Shubham, conclude the topic.
At last, I would like to say that it is a good initiative launched by Indian government. India have much resources than any other country. Therefore, we should use it. If we can prove at the world stage why India is the far developing country, and it also the answers of the ban of Chinese product in our country. It is a good initiative. Thank you.